Welcome to the project demonstration of Android mobile phone Bluetooth control scalp collecting robot along with robot controlling in forward, backward, left, right, 4 directions, and we are going to control this robot along with robotic arm. So here are the 4 operations for the robotic arm, that is open, close, up and down of these robotic fingers, and forward direction, backward, left is direction for the robots. It will be the 8 directions will be controlled from our Bluetooth mobile phone. So from this, these 4 keys are for forward, backward, left, right, and middle one is a stop for the robot movement. And here A, B, C, D are there. So A and C for robotic fingers and B and D for up and down movements. So in this manner, B and D is for fingers and A and C is for robotic up and down movement. So these commands will be received by our HVS-2148 Bluetooth module. So here, so it will given the serial inputs as a serial input to the PIC 16F72 microcontroller, which is of 28-pin microcontroller. So here, so coming to this motherboard, so there will be one crystal oscillator and LED indications and a reset switch. So here the connections from the Bluetooth module to the PIC microcontroller is B0 B1 interface to the Bluetooth module and B4 to B7 and C0 to C3. So these 8 pins are connected to the L293D motor drivers. So here we are using L293D motor drivers two numbers. So one is for robot movement, so that's forward, backward, left, right. Another is robotic arm movement, up and down, open, close. So L293D is a motor driver which can control the 2 motors, DC motors in bidirectional. So for the robot forward movement, so the 2 motors of the robot body has to rotate in forward, and backward it has to be rotated in the backward, and left side 1 motor backward, another is forward, and like this same right side also, this motor has to be backward and this has to be rotated in forward direction. And here for robotic arm purpose we are making use of mechanism spur gear and worm gear mechanism. So here the spur gear worm gear mechanism fixed in this, and here also fingers attached with the spur gear and worm gear mechanisms. So here we are providing the main power source from a 12 volts 1 amp battery. So this is a battery pack, consists of 3 batteries. Each battery has 4 volt 1 amp are connected in series. So we'll get 12 volt 1 amp, and which is a rechargeable battery. So from this charging circuitry we can recharge that. So this is a charger. So here now we are going to provide the 230 volts input from this plug, and this transformer will step down the 230 to 12 volts of AC. Here there will be rectifiers which will convert the 12 volts of AC to 12 volts of DC. So that particular DC voltage will given as charging voltage. So we need to connect B to the B here. After connection to this, just give the 230 volts inputs to the transformer plug. So now there will be a green light indication. Once the 8 hours is completed, so it will take 8 hours to be fully charged. Once 8 hours is completed, you can remove this charging section from the battery and you can utilize this. So this is the main on off switch. Okay. So before switching on this kit, we need to install one application in your phone. So after installing the application, right, we can see one light is on and off 2 times. It's a green light indication. So indicated as the battery is fully charged. If the battery is not fully charged, this light will continuously blinks. And next, coming to this Bluetooth module, there will be one blinking on the Bluetooth module. We can see that. So after installing the application in your phone, go to the Bluetooth settings and pair to the new device and search for new device. It will show the HC05 and pair to that. It will ask for the password. 1234 is the password. Once pairing from the settings, then only we need to open the application. So only one time pairing from the application settings. And now, so we can go to the options. There will be a connect to the module. Once connection was made, this particular blinking will be slowed down. Right, the connecting was done. And now coming to the robot movement. So it's for the forward movement, stop, and the backward movement, stop, and left side. So left side is when we click on this, it will rotate for only 10 degrees. So if you continuously clicking on this, it will rotate for the left and the right. So coming to the robot movement, or robotic arm movement, A is for up. So to set the limit, we are rotating that particular motor for some degrees of rotation only. and now C is for up, right, and open closing. So it's opening, C is for close, sorry, D is for close, right, opening, right, again. So in this manner we can cut the scraps and place it in the dustbin. It's a left rotation. Back and forward only one touch, only left and right and robotic arm movement, continuously tapping on the particular icon, right.